What's up, people? How y'all doing? This is Coach K, just leaving a class, Toastmasters class. For you all wondering, what kind of class are you taking, sir? What are you talking about? But anyway, just had a wonderful Toastmasters class today. Enjoyed it. Different topics, different speakers. To those who don't know what Toastmasters is, it's basically a program or a class that helps you to develop your speaking or public speaking, and all that good old stuff. So the purpose of making this video today is to inform you all that I won. Guess what I won today? Best table topic. That's right. I won my first prize. Toastmasters 2020, baby. Champion. That's right. Let's go. But tonight was an awesome video and everything. Awesome class. Just stay tuned. More is coming for the future, baby. Getting better and better. But tonight, normally on table topics, you normally do one speech. Each person does one speech. But tonight, for some reason, I did two. I just did it out the blue. It wasn't planned or anything, but I ended up doing two speeches like that behind each other. And they are timed, and they are critiqued. They critique the words you say, how you say it, and all those things. But guess what? Thank you. Just remember, there's nothing you cannot do. You have to be excited about life. You have to do things. I'm kind of excited, I can't even talk right. But you have to do things that's going to excite you, that's going to push you, and that's going to expand your mind. Because if you're not doing that, then what's the purpose of life? If you're sitting around doing the same thing over and over again and not really enjoying life, not really expanding your mind, not learning new things, then you will live a short life. So this is my advice to you. Live life. But anyway, this Coach K, just want to update you on that. I think that was wonderful. I was shocked that I won it too. So I'm like, best tabletop topics. I'm like, oh, okay. I was like, wow. I was like, okay, I did it. So I'm ready. But anyway, remember, speak this over your day. This is the day which the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. I believe this is going to be a wonderful day. I believe I can successfully handle all challenges that may arise. I feel good mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, financially. I'm grateful for all that I have, all that I shall have. Things will not fall apart. God is here. He is within me. He will give me strength to see it through. I thank God for every good thing. Peace.